Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Ditto stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. You're going to skip the first stitch. We're going to be working into this space between stitches and we're going to make a double crochet just like normal into this space, into each space across. So it's going to look like this. You're going to make 1 double crochet into each of these spaces across until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have some chains and a stitch left. In between those chains and that stitch, you're going to work a double crochet like we were doing into that space to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make a regular single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 2 chains. For row 4, we're simply going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, and 4 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Ditto stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.